My boy dropped off his clean Monte Carlo for that special MK audio touch. Watch how I transform this trunk. Now this is what you call a clean install. Nice simple design that will remain timeless. These pods look like a factory installed option. This rear deck turned out perfect, and that polished aluminum detail is just the right touch. I bet you've never seen this before. There's a built-in hidden compartment for the detail supplies. The LED light is only on when the door is open. This is one clean G-body, and that install is gonna make it a showpiece.